Hey everyone, Rick here with BlueFletch. Today we're looking at Honeywell CT32, a 5G performance mobile computer built on the Mobility Edge platform. Let's start with a quick spec rundown. Qualcomm octa-core processor, a 6-inch Full HD 1080 by 2160 with Gorilla Glass 5 and 450 nits brightness display, 2 memory and storage options, 6 GB or 8 GB, both with 128 GB of storage, and a 4500 milliamp removable smart battery rated for 12 hours of use. Connectivity is 5G plus Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and dual SIM options. Also, from a scanner perspective, it leverages Honeywell's Flex Range scanner, so it can read barcodes out to about 35 feet. The CT32 is clearly designed to hit that sweet spot between rugged and modern. At under 270 grams, it's just under 14 millimeters thick. It's easy to use in one-handed operations and actually fits in normal pockets, which matters for nurses, store associates, and floor managers who carry this all day. Even though it's slim, it's tough with IP65 and IP68 sealed for dust and water, rated to up to 1.8 meters of drop. That Qualcomm 4490 octa-core chip is not just there to look good on slides, it actually makes a difference. The UI feels fluid, apps open quickly, and even with multiple enterprise agents running in the background, the device stays responsive. For shared fleets, identity is everything. With BlueFletch SSO, the CT32 becomes a personalized device in seconds. A worker taps or scans their badge, and they're dropped into their apps with their session and permissions. Because the CT32 has enough CPU headroom and modern radios, those quick authentication flows happen quickly. We've been running BlueFletch Chat and Enterprise Phone on the CT32, and the combo works really well. Because the device is light and pocketable, it actually feels natural as a unified communication tool, not just a scanner. So where does a CT32 land? It's a performance mobile computer with 5G and Wi-Fi 6E, a bright 6-inch Full HD display, serious scanning, and real ruggedness, but in a form factor that still feels modern and lightweight. Paired with BlueFletch Launcher, SSO, Chat, and Phone, it becomes a secure, personalized shared device that can handle both workflows and communication for frontline teams. If you're a VAR enterprise buyer evaluating your next standard device, Honeywell CT32 absolutely deserves a spot on your shortlist. For more real-world reviews of frontline devices, follow BlueFletch. I'm Rick, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.